Hey, this is Greg. I just want to talk to you about, I get a lot of questions about metal building versus different types of metal building. So either pre-engineered steel building or weld-up buildings. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry. So anyway, one of our customers actually that we designed their home and we're actually helping them build their home today. We're out here on the job site looking at the foundation. And I just want to show you kind of some differences in the foundation between a pre-engineered metal building and a weld-up building. So come with me, I'm going to show you something right here. See, this right here is a weld plate, okay? And so these weld plates are set every 10 feet from the corner. And so basically they'll order their tubing package to come out, and then they'll weld steel columns every 10 feet on those plates. It's just the easiest way for them to do it. And so let me show you something here too. There's a nice storm shelter here. Come on. You know, we live in Oklahoma and we live in Tornado Alley, so tornadoes are just a way of life for us. So these are great above ground storm shelters. I don't know the brand name of this, but they're all made pretty much the same. So, nice little room. This is 4 by 8, and heavy duty steel ribs. I think this is either 1/4 inch or 5/16 steel plate. All 3-point locking. Most safe rooms are going to have a minimum 3 or 4 point locking system at the door. And one reason I like these is a couple of reasons. These are awesome for a lot of reasons, but one is they're in a heating cooled space, so you can put these in a closet and frame around them. In this particular situation, they've set it in place. Once the building gets up, they're going to move this over to the corner and then bolt it down. And so you're in a heating cooled space, so if you want to store your guns in here, or you have documents you want to store in here, or something you need to keep climatized, it's awesome for that. Also, it's above ground. So like my wife is handicapped and she's on canes, and so it'd be really difficult for her to go down into the ground into a shelter that's buried, or these shelters that are in garages. So that's another reason these are awesome. More handicap accessible. And so they're really nice. And if you're in a part of the world where you don't really have tornadoes and stuff, but they're an awesome safe room. So your wife or your family, easy to get in here quickly. Do that. I'll show you something else. One more thing here. All our showers that we design, most of our clients like no curb at the shower door, so they just want the floor to go right into the shower. And the way you do that is you either leave your floor out like this, and then your tile guy floats this floor up to where it needs to be, so that the tile from the bathroom just flows right into the shower. That's the easiest way to do that. We call this a leave out. I always show this on the foundation plan. So this is an example of a leave out. Out here the porches are poured. They're about 2 inches below the finished floor of the house. Let me show you something else down here. This is cool. This is a little in-ground dog wash. So we'll put a drain in here and a little recess area in the floor. Wash your dog later. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, we appreciate you using Red James Designs. Be sure to visit us at www.gregjamesdesigns.com.